experiences, traveling, all of those things start to matter a lot more.
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. I look around and since city's cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. And I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, but I'm like this, you know what now,
Now, believe it or not, investing in the stock market and trading and visiting the Grand Canyon, they actually have a lot of similarities, right? Because both are rewarding. Investing and trading in the stock market is rewarding. Visiting the Grand Canyon is rewarding, right? However, they both provide a lot of risk. When you go into the terrain of the Grand Canyon, it's very risky. I mean, my life is literally gone if I just take a few steps right here, right? These terrains are very unforgiving, and it's very similar in the stock market as well, because it's very unforgiving. You could lose your whole life savings versus in the Grand Canyon you could literally lose your life, which is why you want to have like a guide, right? So when I'm at the Grand Canyon, of course I'm using a guide with maps. I'm talking to individuals who have experience. They're telling me to be prepared to bring water so I don't end up dying while I'm hiking, which, fun fact, I almost did. But when it comes to trading in the stock market, that's why I always recommend that you kind of go with a little bit of a guide. Talk to individuals who have experience, and before risking your real capital in the market, consider doing maybe paper trading. I talk about that in my channel a lot, where you're not really investing real money, you're kind of just simulating trades, so you get to trade the real market with fake money. And also just consider using as many resources and tools that you possibly can, so that you could gain exposure in the market while limiting your risk, right? As I'm visiting the Grand Canyon, I'm trying to stay far away from the ledge, but enough where I'm still getting the full experience. So I just think it's kind of crazy how the similarities are both there, but again, very rewarding. And I do recommend that you both trade and invest in the stock market and visit a place like the Grand Canyon.
the night. Oh, but I'm like this, you know.